today is when our tours start. So today we are doing our whitewater rafting tour. It's the first time we've gone whitewater rafting before, so I'm really excited. It's currently 6:49. We're supposed to be leaving by 7 to 7:30, but it's weird because our breakfast starts at 7 and we haven't ate, and we're kind of hungry and we're kind of rushing around, but it's gonna be a good day either way. So I'm just waiting for Renee to finish. Our room's kind of a mess, but yeah. So we're here in the van now and we're on the way. We're actually sitting in the front seat right there, and we're on the way to our whitewater rafting. Woo!
More and more and more bikes. It's just funny. Super funny. These are the steps. Have to be careful because it's wet. It rained a little bit in Ubud. So we are actually here right now. So that is the river. Those are our boats there. So we're waiting for the other people that is with us. They're still back upstairs. We actually got stuck. Ah! We got stuck in there. Oh! Woo! Really? Oh, just maybe keeping, you know. Woo! Woo! Going backwards! Woo! Look at this bird. Woohoo! Oh, they capsized.
guys like the footage of the whitewater rafting. We are eating at the buffet breakfast that is included with that whitewater rafting. Sorry, did I say buffet breakfast? Buffet lunch, I think. Yeah, buffet lunch. What you can see behind me are the food and selections that they have. Thank you.
Can I please have a watermelon juice?
One watermelon juice, yes.
Thank you.
And then I got the large bintang, which is 65,000. And this is what I picked just to start off with. I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna go for like seconds. It is buffet, so time for dessert. So we do have some traditional Indonesian cassava, some sort of like, I don't know what this is called, but this is something. Oh,
Wow.
I forgot. There's like 1, 2, 3. I know this is brownies,
Yum.
but yeah.
Actually, I'm just gonna eat this one.
Let's eat. This is the seating area, which is really. It was full before, but not now. Alright, let's go downstairs and go get some coffee.
Yeah, the Mason Elephant Park. This is the elephant skeleton. So we're here at the Mason Elephant Park, and we actually got this entrance for free because, I don't know, it just came free with our buffalo tour when we went to the place to get the tickets. You can see them.
You can
Wow.
ride that. You can ride it.
Yeah, you can. This is a restaurant. Restaurante.
Oh, this is where they swim. Elephants swim.
Oh right, so this is where you can get in and swim with the elephants. I wish. Oh, they're so cute.
Oh, you can feed them.
Oh, they're eating. He's putting the flag up. How cute. He's sitting down. Oh my gosh. How cool. Playing the harmonica. Can you even hoop? Oh my god. Oh, so close. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my god. It's so close. Look at the way he is walking. He's limping. We just got photos with the elephant and they're so tough. I thought they were going to be like squishy like seals, but I haven't touched a seal before, but they're really cute.
And then almost got my
ate
hand eaten by an elephant. Oh my god. What the heck are they doing?
Now we are done with the, what's it called, Mason's Elephant Sanctuary. And now we're going to the Mason's Gourmet Chocolate Factory. That's a long name. Here we are.
We have made it to the chocolate factory.
It's a new one. And another elephant. Ultimate heaven right now because I have the biggest sweet tooth of life. So get to see how it's made. It's so dark. Mason's Gourmet Gelato. Isn't this what we ate?
What we ate, yeah.
Yeah, we had this the other day. This is the place. Yes, I want to try everything. Delish. Made in Bali. Wow, 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 wow. Look at all that. I really want the hazelnut cream one. Chocolate heaven. What? Oh my gosh, it's a chocolate fountain. Gosh.
So cool.
Yes, 43%.
Buying this one for 60,000 rupiah.
Okay.
Delicious. Yeah, and then Renee got a salted caramel cone. And we actually changed the chocolate to
Amazing.
caramel because Renee likes caramel, and then he ended up getting a caramel ice cream. Yum. Or gelato, more like it.